Hello friends, in this video I'm going to create this animation effect using only CSS. I will not use any JavaScript code. So as you can see here, the element appears in a nice animated way when it comes in the browser view. This one just straight up when the element comes in the browser view. Now this one just grow from left to right and this one grows from right to left. So let's get started. First I will create default HTML template. I will give this a title. Let me give this title name CSS scroll animation. I'm going to add default box sizing. Now inside body, I will add a container. So I'm going to create a div of class container. This is just to keep things with proper left and right margin. Inside style, I'm going to add CSS for container. So I'm going to add a class container with position relative and margin 0 auto. I will set width to 100% and max width to 1200 px. I will set margin 0 auto and padding 0 10 px, so it will have 0 padding from top and bottom and px from left and right. Now inside this container, we are going to add a empty region of height 100% of view screen. I will create a div of class spacer. And now I will add CSS for this class spacer. So I will add display block width 100% and height of 100 px. So this means it will have height of 100% of screen height. Now we are going to add an image here. So I will create a div, and inside div I am going to add an image. I have this image girl.jpg. So now you can see that this is the image that I have. Let me fix the width of this image. So I will set max width to 100% for the images. So now you can see that this image has now width of maximum 100%. This looks better now. We want to add fading effect to this image. So when element enters browser view, it should appear in some animation. So image will start from opacity 0 and will finish at full opacity. So let us add a class fade out to this image. Okay, now I'm going to add styling for this class fade out. So I will add animation and I will keep animation name to fade up. But you can change this name and we will keep animation function linear. Now I will set the animation timeline to view. We will use view for animation timeline. This will link the animation to the element's position in the browser viewport. Now I will add animation range. This is important. This tells when the animation should start and when it should end. I'm going to start animation when the element enters the view. So I will add entry 0%, and I want the animation to complete when 40% of the element is visible. So I will add cover 40%. Now we will create keyframe for our animation fade up. I will set from opacity 0 to opacity 1. So now we have this cool animation. The image opacity increases from 0 to 1 as the image comes in browser view. Similarly, we can add more animation effects like this. So let me add one more animation effect that will grow from left to right. So I'm going to add same image here, but after spaces, so it will have a gap of 100% percent of the screen height. And I'm going to add a class here. Class is grow from left to right. So you can see here that I've added another image here. I'm going to add starting for this class grow from left to right, and similarly I'm going to add animation, and I will give a name here. So I will keep the name same, grow from left to right, and I will set animation function to linear. Now similarly we're going to add animation timing. So this tells when this animation should on what factor the animation should depend. So I'll set this to view, and now animation range, and again I will set this to 0% entry and cover to 40%. From opacity 0, and I will add clip path here. So clip path inset 0, 90%, 0, 0. To opacity 1, and in clip path inset 0, 0, 0, 0. Done. So I think we have added all the required CSS for this animation. Now let us check. So as you can see that this image grows from left to right when the image comes in browser view. I hope you liked this video and found this CSS trick useful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with another tutorial. Bye.